going to do in the future. And just briefly, if we could share from all the groups. So maybe our group will start to just model. Yes? Should I start with something? I will say one thing. This is 3 people representing Chicago to the world. The awesome responsibility of it. As many of you know from Chris's offer, there is a community development project involving many, many different aspects, from health to schools to who knows what else in the community. It's a kind of endless list. It's in the beginning stages, and Chris has a role in that project already around health. Joanne and I are interlopers trying to find our way in. One of the things that we've discovered is that there is a big network, and our first work is actually building the Chicago node of this network. So we've spent a good deal of time talking about who we need to connect with and how, thinking about doing it in some more informal ways. We just said, maybe dinner at our house and invite some of these people together just to talk. But it's the beginning conversations, and as Becky was saying, you know, how do we learn to work together? We hardly even know how people are working now and what they're working on. So we're thinking about how do we get ourselves invited into walking neighborhoods as people are working? How do we get ourselves invited into meetings just to get a presence and a feel for what's going on and then to follow what happens? Is that?
Yes.
We also, on top of that though, we are really excited about this work in our neighborhoods, in our city, in a place of great need and great conflict, and how we might be able to support and help in any way. So that's it. How about South Africa? Wait a minute, is this, this is Joburg?
The real Joburg. Hi all. And before I talk a little bit about what Joburg aspires to do, we want to thank Becky and her Leeds team, and also everyone else who's here, because the contribution, the collaboration, the co-collaboration is really being exciting and rewarding. And as Marin says, this is really hopefully the beginning. In terms of our own, the Joburg group, Ish encapsulated, I think, the sense of what we aspire to, which is the notion of healthy societies. And in order to start to make some contributions towards this, we will, as soon as possible, under Giovanna's coordinating capacities, get together as the Joburg group as soon as possible, because, and as Josie said, we need to know each other a lot deeper in order to form a durable basis for all the interactions we hope to have. There are 2 specific projects which the Joburg group has embraced. One, which was surfaced by Wendy and relates to issues more around pedagogy and developing the intellectual capital around social enterprises, and really speaks to some of the work that Leeds apparently is leading in. The second piece we alluded to earlier on around the issue of social value metrics, and now we have 3 projects which Chris and Cindy will, in between football matches, get engaged on. So that, in essence, is what we're going to do, and hopefully before the end of September, October, we'll have something tangible which we can share with the rest of the group in terms of metrics and the ongoing collaboration around the development of IP. Thank you.